Ever heard of Tosilog? It's a Filipino breakfast that's a fiesta of flavors. Sweet, salty, garlicky, all on one plate. But what if I told you we can enjoy all that goodness in a healthier way? Stick around because we're going to be taking this iconic dish and giving it a nutritious makeover. Whether you're a Tosilog veteran or a curious newbie, this will become your favorite breakfast. So get your aprons on and let's get cooking.
If you're new to the channel, I'm Geronimo, and I'm a professional chef and product designer in the San Francisco Bay Area. Alright, before we jump into our flavor-packed recipe, let's chat a sec about this. I grabbed this from the market earlier, and it's the stuff a lot of us grew up on, right? But hold up, have you ever read the ingredients on this thing? Look here, we've got sodium nitrate, red food coloring, and what's this long word I can't even pronounce? Okay, it's tasty, I won't lie, but this little breakfast favorite could use a healthy makeover, don't you think? That's exactly what we're doing today. We're gonna take tocino back to its roots, make it all natural, mouth-watering, and something you can feel good about eating. Trust me, it's gonna be a game changer. Alright, check this out. 2 pounds of thinly sliced pork butt or shoulder. This cut is ideal for marinating, and it'll cook up beautifully. Keep an eye out for a piece with a nice fat cap. It adds flavor and keeps the meat juicy. In a big mixing bowl, we've got a 1/4 cup of coconut aminos, your healthier soy sauce alternative, 3 tablespoons of maple syrup for that natural sweetness, and a 1/4 cup of pineapple juice. That pineapple juice is going to work wonders on tenderizing the pork. Add juice of 1 lime, freshly squeezed. Now let's spice it up with 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, followed by 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, and a ½ teaspoon of ground black pepper. Last but not least, 4 cloves of garlic, freshly minced. Give it a good mix, make sure every piece of pork is coated with this liquid gold. Cover the bowl, and into the fridge it goes for a minimum of 12 hours, but ideally 2 to 3 days max if you have the time. 2 days later for me, and it's time to bring the heat. We've got our skillet oiled and heating up on medium heat. Now lay those pork pieces down and flip these babies every couple of minutes. We're going to cook them all the way through, and a little char is a good thing because that means flavor. When they're all done cooking, set them aside. Alright, let's not forget the most critical part of Filipino cuisine, the rice. We're making garlic fried rice, but we're switching it up with brown rice today. It's got more fiber, and it's a solid, healthy choice. We've got 2 cups of cooked brown rice here. It's leftover, which is perfect because it fries up so much better. Into a skillet or a wok goes 2 tablespoons of avocado oil on medium heat. And here comes 8 cloves of garlic, finely chopped. You heard right, 8 cloves. That's how you amp up the flavor like a Filipino. Keep your eyes on that garlic. You want it golden, but not burnt, like mine. Now let's bring in the rice. Add it straight into the wok along with ½ teaspoon of kosher salt. Give that a good mix, break up any clumps, and make sure everything's nice and combined. You're looking for each grain to be a little flavor bomb on its own. Now to finish the trio, we've got to fry our eggs. In a non-stick pan, add a bit of oil and heat it on medium heat until super hot. Add in your eggs and cook them until they set. Baste some oil on the uncooked parts, and listen, if you're into crispy edges like me, let it sit a bit longer. But keep an eye on that yolk. You want it just a little runny. Now, grab a nice plate and add a mound of garlic fried rice. No shame on how much rice you want. Add in some of those tocino pieces. Slide in your fried eggs. Garnish the rice with some sliced green onions if you have it. Now look at this gorgeous plate. This is what I call starting your day off right, because this right here is what breakfast dreams are made of. Let's taste it.
All right, y'all, it's time to do the taste test, and I'm excited to eat this. This is probably one of my most favorite breakfasts of all time. So I'm gonna try each component first to see how each thing tastes. All right, let's take a bite of this tocino and see what it's like. It's sweet, it's savory, a little smoky from that char, and it's amazing. Honestly, better than conventional American bacon because of that sweetness, and I like the thickness of it. Now I'm gonna try some of the garlic rice. Ooh, that's super punchy from all the garlic. Honestly, I love it. Brings more complex flavors if you're really into garlic like I am. There's no proper way to eat it, but the way I liked eating it growing up is having a spoonful of everything with a little bit of vinegar drizzled on top of the pork. I'm gonna do that right now. I got pork, I got the spiced vinegar, got a little bit of egg and some rice. So this is gonna be a spoonful, but bon appetit. Woo! So that is a flavor explosion. This to me is the perfect breakfast ever because all of its different textures and flavors. You got the soft egg, and the protein, which gives a little chew, but the pork is also tender at the same time. On the garlic fried rice, you can like taste every single grain and morsel. So I totally love this breakfast, and I can't wait for you to try it and find out if it's gonna be your favorite as well. If you like this video, you're gonna love this video here, where I show you how to make my healthier version of Filipino pork barbecue. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.